Yo, what's going on? All my homies, homettes, dudes, and dudettes. It's your boy Will. I'm back again. I'm gonna do another ride along, and this time, this ride along is with this fragrance here, the ugly bottle. This is Detour Noir by I think it's Haramain. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna rock out to today. So let's start out with these sprays. Let's get a good couple of sprays on my pulse points, because a lot of times I'll spray and I won't hit the pulse point. So the fragrance may not last as long as it should. And with this fragrance, I've had a couple of times where I worn it and it wasn't all that great. So I'm gonna make sure that's not the case this time. Let's get behind my ear. Whew. All right. So this fragrance, it is supposed to be a clone of Leighton by Parfums de Marly. So, and this is like one of the first clones that came out, so it's pretty good. Not a great looking bottle, but it's a really good smelling fragrance. So, all right, here we go. Oh, by the way, it is 3:07, and this is 3:07 p.m. Just getting going and going out later today. So, all right, come on, roll with me. All right, on an update, huh?
And Market Street is down there.
Oh, so it is 5:26, and smell it. Can you still smell it?
Yeah.
Can I try to catch this?
You can still smell it. Oh, got to catch this light. That car's running light. We going. So, okay, back. So yeah, the fragrance still working. I don't know if you guys can hear me. Let me get this closer. Still working. It's 5 o'clock. Been about 2.5 hours. I put a good amount of sprays on me too. So it's really smelling good outside of my on my clothes. So all right, I'll do another check-in in a little bit. All right, folks. So I'm doing another check-in. It is now 6:24, as you can see, and this fragrance is still going. I mean, I guess I did put it on like around 3 something. I can't remember, when did I start this? I think it was at 3. So it's only been 3 hours, but it smells good, and it's still going, and it's still projecting. Maybe I remember wearing it the last time and thinking it didn't wear long, but it's doing good. Like the first couple of hours, it was projecting really well. Now it's closer to the skin. It's not a skin scent quite just yet, but it's pretty close into the mids, where it has this nice it's a nice mixture of like a fresh and sweet kind of vibe. I think it's the vanilla and and I think it's bergamot in the mid notes, and I think they have mandarin orange or something like that. But it's a good mesh of that kind of vibe going on with it, and it smells so good. It smells, like I said, it's a clone of Leighton, and Leighton is a really good fragrance. It gets a lot of good positive attention. So I did get one compliment earlier today, so it is what it is. So, like I said, it is right now 6:25, and I guess I'll check back in. I gotta get a couple more things done, and yeah, that's it. All right, I'll be back. Check in. All right, folks. So it is the end of the day now. Fragrance lasted pretty good. And checked it, I would say probably maybe about an hour, hour and a half. Maybe we pushed it close to the 2 hour mark. But then after that, the dry down lasted for a few hours. I think I put it on at 3 o'clock, and it is now. Took my watch off. It is now 9:20. 9:20. Almost 10 o'clock. And right now it's a skin scent. It's really dried down, and right now it's kind of has more of the Gaiac wood is coming out, and some of the cardamom. It has a little bit of pepper in it at base note, but it's really, really slight. I think it's listed as black pepper, but it comes off more like a pink pepper. And that's kind of what the dry down is smelling like right now. Like a little sweetie nutty, but it's really close to the skin. It's a skin scent now, so it's completely gone. But yeah, that's it. And just for references, today it was a little bit of overcast and sunny. Part of the day was overcast, and then it got a little sunny, and the temperature, it went up to about 89 degrees Fahrenheit. So take that with a grain of salt. And it was a little bit humid also. And but also, if you don't know what what Leighton smells like, it's a kind of a fresh, sweet, kind of a almost like a fougere type of fragrance, and it's a very pleasing fragrance. If you haven't got your nose on it, it's pretty good to get a sample of it if you can. If you don't want to get a sample of it, pick up Detour Noir. I'm looking for the bottle. I don't even have the bottle with me right now. But yeah, but that's it. Thanks for riding along with me. It's been your boy Will with the Will Report. I appreciate your time. I know you could be anywhere else in the world, hanging out with me, doing this ride along with Detour Noir. Till next time, deuces.